Every year, right before Easter, we get lots of questions from folks looking for something different to serve for the holiday. So rather than giving you a new way to cook a ham or roast a prime rib, we thought we'd show you how to prepare a rack of lamb. And with it being one of the best food buys of the week, all the better. Just in case you're not familiar with rack of lamb, it looks like this. Each one of these is considered a rack, with the meaty loin in the center and the rib bones attached to it. Instead of cutting these into chops, we coat them with a mixture of olive oil, onion and garlic powder, salt, pepper, fresh rosemary, and we roast them whole. While they're in the oven, we make a sauce to serve with them. It's simply mint jelly simmered with a splash of red wine and a sprig of fresh rosemary. Once the internal temperature of the lamb reaches 145, which is medium rare, we take them out of the oven to rest. Then we carve them between the bones and finish them with our mint wine reduction. It may sound and taste fancy, but it's so easy. To get the recipe for our herb-crusted lamb with mint sauce, simply visit our website, so you'll have it in plenty of time for Easter. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a welcoming new way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."